Здравствуйте, я Серикова Зере, я учусь в университете Поморский в Слупске. Я учусь на факультете английской филологии на 3-м курсе. Участвую в международном челлендже Максима Пономаренко на волне Абая в честь 80-летия Абая Qunanbaiuly. Я прочитаю фрагмент из его стиха на английском языке, который называется «The first snow falls, the blood sport calls». The first snow falls, the blood sport calls, then hunters mount and ride. The eagle's master knows the place where the wily reynards sit. Just give him a good companion to canter by his side, a swift mount clamped between his legs and hunting gear to fit. With a cry the man in the saddle sweep the valley at a trot. It opens wide upon the plain, there is a fox's traces show. He's gone to earth to find a spot, the eagle's keeper mounts a hill, while his helper waits below. The hood is snatched from the eagle's eye. In a flash it sights its hidden prey, then the fox tricks up the rise. But the eagle knows he seeks the rocks and cuts across the way. The fox cannot reach safety that he sought to gain in height. He crouches low, but he can deceive the bird's bloodlusting eye. His lips curl back, his fangs show wide. He'll put up a fight for his life today, if the time has come to die. Now the fun has begun, the sport and the zest. The hunters gallop at a breakneck pace, reckless and risking their lives. They know a good fox may come out the best with his 40 ivory knives. Спасибо.